Alright folks, settle in. If you're anything like me, you've heard all the buzz about AI. The game changer, the future of everything. And you're probably wondering, where's the proof it actually works for me? I mean, let's be real. I spent 15 years wrestling with marble slabs, not algorithms. My idea of a program used to be a detailed plan of attack on a stubborn piece of granite. If it didn't work, I grabbed a bigger hammer. But then, life threw me a curveball, or maybe a digital hammer. Suddenly I'm supposed to be a marketing who's using AI tools. And it feels like I'm trying to assemble IKEA furniture with no instructions. So, if you've ever felt like you're drowning in tech jargon, or you're fumbling around in the dark trying to figure this whole AI thing out, you're in the right place. Today, I'm not just going to rant about how confusing it all is. I'm gonna break down exactly how you can actually use AI to boost your business without needing a PhD in computer science. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Why does AI feel so dang overwhelming? It's like everyone else is speaking a different language, tossing around words like machine learning and algorithms, like it's no big deal. I thought I was watching a sci-fi movie instead of learning about a business tool. You're not alone if you feel like you've stumbled into another dimension, or if you feel like you are trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. Many of these AI tools are built by tech experts, for tech experts, not for us everyday folks who just want to get stuff done. Visual. Show a quick, comical montage of confusing tech terms flashing on the screen. It's easy to get sucked in by the hype, by the gurus claiming their AI hacks are simple when they're anything but. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be that hard. It's time to simplify this stuff. The biggest shift for me was when I stopped thinking of AI as this all-knowing overlord and started seeing it as a helpful assistant. Think of it like an apprentice, the one who helps with the grunt work so you can focus on the big picture. It's there to handle the repetitive tasks, whether it's scheduling posts, managing leads, or organizing data. And then it morphs into you using a computer with AI working in the background. You don't need to know how all the gears turn inside the AI machine. You just need to know which buttons to press. So instead of diving headfirst into advanced settings, let's focus on what AI can actually do for you. Start with the simplest features, like email automation or social media scheduling. And please don't be afraid to ignore the advanced settings for now. Progress is better than perfection. There are free tools and training programs that can show you the way. You just have to know where to look. Let's get down to brass tacks. Why should you even bother with AI? It's not just about shiny gadgets or futuristic possibilities. It's about saving you time, reducing stress, and letting you focus on what truly matters. Growing your business. AI can draft emails in seconds, analyze trends in your market that would have taken you hours to research manually, and even handle basic customer queries with chatbots. For example, if you need to write email campaigns, AI tools can help you personalize those messages for your audience. Or you could explore free AI tools for investment strategies to identify emerging markets. The important thing is, all of this saves you time and energy. Speaking of saving time, one of the biggest time sucks for online business is creating content. AI tools can really help you generate social media posts, video scripts, and so much more. And if you're a visual person, you can use AI tools like Canva to create stunning visuals even if you aren't a designer. And you can use CapCut to make professional quality videos without breaking a sweat. Plus, with Vidic, you can make sure your videos are seen by the right people on YouTube. These tools all work together to make your life easier. Okay, so how do you actually start using this stuff? Well, it's not about throwing out everything you do and starting from scratch. It's about finding the right tools to complement your existing workflow. I didn't replace every tool in my business overnight. I just added one AI tool at a time, tested it out, and if it worked, I kept it. If it didn't, I tried something else. It's like finding the perfect new blade for your saw. Start small, pick one area of your business where you can use AI, maybe it's customer support or content creation, and begin there. And definitely test the free AI tools before you commit to the paid options. Once you have a couple of simple AI tools, make sure they integrate with the tools you already use. For example, if you are creating videos, you can use AI to create the video scripts. Then use another AI tool to help with editing and optimizing your content. It's about creating a workflow that works for you. And remember, you don't need to learn how to build AI. You just need to know how to use it. Look, the most important thing I learned through this whole transition is that you are not too far behind, too old, or too non-techy to succeed with AI. You don't have to be a tech genius to make these tools work. You just need to start, just like I did. You've built skills before and you'll do it again. Maybe you felt like you're just not cut out for AI, but that's not true. Just focus on building confidence with small wins, like automating one task or improving a process. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and this is your journey to own. So, are you ready to take the first step and simplify AI? You can start by signing up for my free newsletter at the AI Affiliate Club. Or join the Easy AI Challenge where you can learn, take action, and start seeing results in just 7 days. Get access to hundreds of hours of free training, then check out the Internet Income System for free courses in digital marketing and affiliate programs that pay up to 100% commissions. There are lots of free resources out there to help you begin mastering the world of AI. Don't wait, start now and let's get to work. I'm here to tell you that this stuff isn't as scary as it looks. You just need the right guide to help you put all the pieces together. And hey, if a guy who used to wrestle half-ton slabs of marble with only his bare hands can make this work, I know you can too. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the tools are available to each and every one of us. It's time to stop stressing and start creating.